Yeah, so the news was that a new combination product received FDA approval for the acute treatment of migraine and gives people living with migraine, and of course, those of us who treat patients with migraine, a new combination product that was rationally designed and will be an important option for the right patients. Of the prescription drugs, this, I believe, is the second triptan nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory combination approved. The existing one is a combination of sumatriptan and naproxen, and the design program for this product specifically in one of the studies enrolled patients who had very poor treatment optimization with currently available therapy. And the study used a measure called the Migraine Treatment Optimization Questionnaire, which identifies people who are not getting adequate benefits from whatever therapy they're currently using. So one of the two pivotal efficacy studies, the Momentum study, enrolled only people who were not getting an adequate benefit from acute treatment. And that study demonstrates not only that the combination product is highly effective, but also that it works better than either of its components alone, works better than either rizatriptan alone or meloxicam alone. And that demonstration is what's required to get a combination product marketed, because if the combination isn't better than its components, of course, there's no reason to prescribe the combination. The Momentum trial was a 4-arm factorial study. That means one arm got the combination product, one arm got rizatriptan alone, one arm got meloxicam alone, and one arm got only placebo. And again, this was a study that enrolled people who were not doing well on current treatment as measured by the Migraine Treatment Optimization Questionnaire. The study generated, given its design, very high 2-hour pain-free rates. So the pain-free rate in the combination arm was 19.9%, and the response rate in the placebo arm was 6.7%, which is one of the lowest placebo rates I've ever seen in an acute migraine trial. I think the reason the placebo rate was so low is that we deliberately selected people who weren't doing well on their current therapy, and that generates a sample that is much less likely than usual to do well on placebo. The combination product also was superior to placebo on the other FDA mandated co-primary endpoint, and the MBS freedom rates were 37% for people on active drug versus 24% for people taking placebo. And so again, in a sample selected to be refractory to usual acute treatments, these response rates, the 2-hour pain freedom rate and the 2-hour MBS rate, are quite high. Another striking feature and a real benefit of the combination product is that the results are long lasting. So there were statistically significant differences between the combination and placebo on the sustained pain-free endpoints as well, which is why I say in treatment refractory patients, the combination product produces excellent 2-hour freedom from the most bothersome symptom corresponding to early onset of action, but also sustained benefits.